Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how I make scrambled eggs for breakfast, and without any further ado, let's hop into it. For this meal I will be using 4 eggs, a little homemade bacon, some scallions, a little cheese that I will put on it in the end, some freshly ground black pepper, and of course a little salt. After putting the 4 eggs in a bowl, I am seasoning everything with a little black pepper and a little salt, and afterwards using a fork I am mixing everything together. Now I am cutting up the scallions and the bacon in these smaller pieces. Now I am putting a little bit of olive oil in a preheated frying pan, and I am putting the bacon to fry. When I am satisfied with the color of the bacon, then I am putting in the scallions, and when everything is well fried, then I am pouring in the eggs. While the eggs are beginning to fry, I am beginning to mix everything together so that it's not burning. You don't want to leave it on the fire for too long because it will harden up too strong. When you see it getting this nice yellow color, your meal is done. Now you just need to put the scrambled eggs on a plate, grate a little bit of cheese on it, and you can enjoy your meal.
Man, so this looks and smells perfect. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.